We don't ship our products or services. We need to have your vehicle in-house to assure proper fitment. Find us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. At Rich's, you can pick your muffler and your tips before you buy. With all major brands in stock, Rich's has you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we also carry AFE, K&N, and air rate. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.